No, I'm good. I don't really need to get. Here's the cider store.
Somebody write for you.
We made a stop at a cider house. Here's Angela and Monica. There's there's squash pickles, sweet apple honey mustard. These are all the salad dressings. A nice little clown. There you go, Kenny. Special K doesn't like clowns. Look. Got a really cute old-timey feel. There's blueberry cider. Muscadine cider. Peach. The cherry cider's over here.
Oh, it is?
And they got peach cider and Alderney. Look at how cute that is.
Got some free samples up here now if you want to try a couple.
Oh, we've got to try some. I love all these little doohickeys. Here's some raspberry wasabi. Check that out. What was the... Ooh, peppermint.
Peppermint, yeah. Ooh. Cherry almond gourmet sauce.
Back-to-back awards. Ginger wasabi
That
sauce.
looks awesome.
Lots of fun stuff.
Dip.
Ooh, pretzel dip. Again, here's Monica and Angela. Hi, guys. Look at the little doggy.
Does that do it?
Yes.
Check that out. I'm a pig. Oh, I can't see it very good because of the sun in the back. I love the trinkets in here. This is so funny. Oh my gosh. How awesome is that? That is so cool. Here is some smoked alligator
With pork.
with pork.
Jerky.
Premium meat snacks. And here's the nice owner, the proprietor. And this is Angela's purchases, some peach cider, which is very, very good. We got free samples. And there's Angela taking a picture.